Margaret Sanger was born in 1879. She was the sixth of 11 children. She watched her mother get pregnant over and over again for a total of 18 times. And in this speech, I'm going to inform you of Margaret Sanger's accomplishments to the birth control movement and the development of the first birth control pill. This is important to American history because it transformed the attitude around family planning. And I educate myself about contraception because as a woman, I have to consider if I want kids, if so, how many and when. But back in the day, women didn't have this luxury. You were expected to have children and you were expected to have multiple. So Margaret transformed this attitude around family planning, and after her mother died young, Margaret believed it was because of the constant pregnancies. So this is what inspired her to become a nurse and to help women avoid this. She was the first birth control advocate. She traveled all around the world educating women and men. She eventually succeeded in opening up the first birth control clinic of its time. According to Arthur Kativ, on the first day of opening the clinic, over 100 women and 20 men waited in line at the clinic. And these gave out free contraceptions and birth control advice at a time that it was illegal to distribute or even speak about contraception. And she was arrested 8 times, and she even had to flee to the UK, but that didn't stop her, According to historian Munt, the clinic gave her the platform and the resources to fund the development of the first birth control pill. And she collaborated with scientists in the 50s, and the pill later released in the 60s to America. After this, the courts overturned the old Comstock laws that made it illegal to talk about contraception, and then shortly after, the singer actually died. However, she left a legacy. She believed women should have the right to choose if they want children, and if so, how many. And the impact of her sex education and the development of the pill transformed America. But not only did it make sex education legal, but throughout the 20th century, birth rates fell dramatically, and as birth rates fell, life expectancy rose. And I actually have a little graph of this. This is the birth rates, and then this is life expectancy, and then this is birth rates. So infant mortality also fell. Thank you.